Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use zoom button on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! Now, I do have the application as a little showcase for you to better see what I'm doing on the camera, but technically, if you want, you can also play around with zoom options right here. But I know many people just don't care about application at all, so let's focus on our camera instead. Now, zoom button, where can we find it? Well, technically, you can see it right here. If you click it, you will notice that we have now changed to plus and minus icons. And now if we change our gimbal like that, we can go and change the zoom by going down and up. But that is not really a zoom button, is it? In order to find and actually see and use the zoom button, we need to rotate our little display, and now we have switched to 4K resolution, and as you can see at the bottom here we have a zoom button. Now by default it is of course in 1 times zoom. If we click once, it will switch to 2 times zoom, and if we click one more time once, it will switch to 1 times zoom. Now what's important is that you can also click it twice to enable 4 times zoom, which as far as I know is the maximum amount of zoom you can have. And by default, you also have the little custom button. We will cover it fully on other video, but by default, you have the ability to switch to control the zoom amount using your joystick right here. And of course, you can click it one more time to disable that functionality and have the ability to move your camera up or down using the joystick. So yeah, that's actually all for the video for using the zoom button. Hopefully with that knowledge you will be able to make a nice videos using your DJI Osmo Pocket 4 camera. And if you enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!